spray skirt. Lower water, it's gonna be a little harder getting up over this rock. So today that's so low, you don't want to mess with it. Take you a break as long as you need. We're gonna go down. We're gonna kind of split that gap to the left, kind of pause a little bit, just don't go over the thing, and then cut back to the right. And it's just, yeah, then and go left, big eddies down there. Pretty super simple, nothing major. Take your time. You'll see it once you come off. Face to the right as you're dropping down, then you're gonna cut back left. See what happens with what they call go straight. So if you ran this line over here, the problem is it wants to send you towards that middle rock. But check this out. You come down, you hit this eddy right here, and I let my bow kind of drop, and I take one big hard pull stroke, not a lot, and just let my bow ride off of that finger rock and then split that gap. When it goes well, it's awesome. When it goes bad, it goes really bad. What might happen, you might get slammed. Just don't get worked in the hole. If you do, try to go out that way. Creek boats are pretty friendly through here. We're both in pretty high volume bows. They should just ride up over that. I'm gonna go ahead and run it. You got a rope? Here, take mine. If anything happens, the best spot to be is right down here. Because all of the shit happens right here. You can go the right side too, by the way. It's just manky. You can kind of get up on this. I'm not gonna get real greedy here. Yeah! The only thing I can really, you've run switch before, so you kind of know. What I do, I come down reverse 7 foot right off. I stay a little bit farther right through that top hole. Try to carry a late left with an edge and just kind of like get up on that mushroom as high as I can. If you can go over, you're good. It's a little low to do the race line, but we'll see. The big thing is don't get worked in that hole. Stay straight, a lot of speed. And then if you fall off the ledge, you can work your way out of it. Just keep fighting, trying to get back that way. Let's see, I'll probably do center boot. Oh crap. That's a little low for center boot. Happy birthday! Not getting in the eddies what makes me nervous. This is the part. Let's spray skirt. I'm good. Skirt blue. for that birthday Eddie. Kind of show off. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Hey, just peel out. Stay kind of center to right. Center to right. Left stroke. Yeah! Yeah! Eddie out on the right. Just another ferry, just another ferry. It's nothing. Yeah! Woo! Nailed it! Oh yeah! Nice.